Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're making delicious breakfast skillet potatoes full of flavor and goodness and seasonings. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe and like. First, we're going to start with our potatoes. I have them chopped up and I left the skin on. I like the skin on. We're also going to need onions, green peppers, red peppers, and garlic, plus seasonings. I'll get into that a little bit later. Of course, we're going to need our skillet, our cast iron pan. I'll have the link to our favorite cast iron pan in the description. So we have our oil in there. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Then we add our onions. We want to saute our onions for a little bit so that they're a little golden brown. Then we add our green peppers, our red peppers, and our garlic. Now let's mix it well so that all of it can cook evenly. It adds more flavor when you saute your vegetables first. So now we have our sauteed onions, peppers, and garlic. It's time to add our potatoes. So we add our potatoes and then we mix the potatoes well with the vegetables. The method that I use is I add water. So I add water to the hot skillet and then I cover it so that it can steam, so the potatoes can steam. Once the potatoes have steamed for about 7 minutes, I take the lid off and we mix it again to make sure that nothing is really sticking to the bottom of the cast iron pan. Then it is seasoning time. Okay, so we add our onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, our salt, can't forget our salt, and we have some cayenne pepper. All right, we need to heat it up just a little bit. I told you we'd be adding some seasonings in there. Do you guys hear that sizzle? I love when the bottom gets a little brown and crunchy, okay? You may not like it that crunchy, that dark, but you know what? You don't have to cook it on high heat for that long if you like it a little less dark, but this is the way that I like it. And then I add, for a burst of color, for that smoky flavor, add some paprika. And for an added bonus and burst of flavor in your mouth, add some vegan butter or regular butter. This is actually vegan butter, even though the meal that we're having is not vegan today. But this particular dish can be vegan or non-vegan. Do you guys see it? Do you see how delicious these potatoes are? It's like a mixture of crunchy and soft, and all of the vegetables, all of it together just makes this beautiful breakfast skillet potato mixture that's just a burst of flavor in your mouth. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you don't own a cast iron pan, we've got you covered. We have our favorite cast iron pan in the description. These breakfast skillet potatoes are perfect for your breakfast meal, along with your cheesy eggs, your bacon, and your toast with jam. Don't forget to visit us at bnbreviewsit.com. Thanks for watching.